school judges, your excellent committees, dear my friend who participates in this speech contest, my loving brother and sister. How are you guys? I'm sure you're all in the good health. Before I start, have you guys know me already? There is a saying that if you don't know a person, how can you love that person? Therefore, I would like to introduce myself first. I'm Nelatu Sylvia Anggraini from Vocational High School of One Judis, Mojokerto. Today, I'd like to talk about something that not just topics in textbook, but something we live and breathe every day. Our social and cultural values as Indonesians. When we speak about social and cultural values, we're really talking about the set of beliefs, social structures, and everyday behavior define us. And ideally, all of it should reflect our nation's philosophy, Pancasila, in every part of our life as citizens of Indonesia. So, what does that really mean? It means the way we think, the way we treat each other, even the way we share love. All of it should carry these values of Pancasila and the spirit of our Constitution. Let's think about Gotong Royong. Gotong Royong, for example, is not just a phrase, it's a living tradition. When a neighbor has a wedding, we help cook and set up. When someone's in it, we all pitch in. These are living examples of humanity and unity in action, and they are uniquely ours. But times are changing. In the digital era, we're more connected than ever, and new culture flow into our lives at lightning speed. Through the internet, through movies, through social media. Learning from other culture is a great, but remember, our identity as Indonesian must never fade. Our social and cultural growth should always be grounded in our own Indonesian character. So, my friend, the challenge is in our hand. Let's keep our culture still alive, not just in ceremonies or tradition, but in how we speak, how we treat each other, how we act, online and offline. Because, in the end, what truly makes Indonesia special is not just our breathtaking landscape, but the values we live by and the unity we hold dear. It's our kindness, our hospitality, and our spirit of helping one another that makes Indonesia shine in the eyes of the world. And remember, preserving our culture doesn't mean rejecting change. It's about finding plans, embracing innovation while staying true to our roots. Technology can be a tool to promote our tradition to the world. From sharing our local craft online to telling stories about our heritage on global platforms. When we do this, we're not only protecting our identity, but also showing the world the beauties of Indonesian soul. In conclusion, our social and cultural values are not just a heritage from the past, but also a guide for the future. If we keep them alive in our daily lives, combine them with innovation, and share them broadly with the world, then we're not only preserving our identity, but also contributing to stronger and more respected Indonesia. Let us be the generation that carries these values with pride, so our culture will always shine across time and generation. So guys, thank you very much for your kind attention. I hope my speech gives you guys a new perspective. And remember, be kind, stay curious, and dream big. The last I say, wabarakatuh.